The term design thinking is widely used in business and education. Design thinking is heralded as an effective means for exploring new concepts and directions for business and enterprise. Design thinking is a mindset and a movement. The approach builds on centuries of practice in domains such as architecture, but with its adoption in other areas such as business and technology, it now benefits from an ever-growing pedigree. Design thinking emerged as an effective means of generating solutions when design teams applied their what-if, creative problem-solving and user-centered approaches to finding new types of market opportunities in domains not traditionally associated with design. Design thinking can help generate products, services and systems with the needs of users and principal stakeholders at the centre. Through processes including discovery, looking at the broader context, envisioning and questioning, experimentation, feedback and integration, design thinking provides an approach to provide solutions that actually address the user and may even offer a solution for a broader set of people. Thinking is a cognitive function involving interactions between your consciousness and your subconscious. Your capacity and capabilities in thinking are subject to your memory, your knowledge and experience, your emotions and nerves or gut feelings, your personality and character, taking into account individual differences, and your ability to process information in your working memory, intelligence and energy levels. Design can be viewed as the ability to transform an existing to a preferred state. Different designers operate, practice, and get things done in different ways, but all involve transformations. It is gaining access to the processes and approaches enabling such transformation that is at the heart of design thinking. The two principal proponents of design thinking over recent years have been Tim Brown at the IDEO consultancy, promoting design thinking as a process for stimulating innovation, while Roger Martin from the Rotman Management School broadly suggested that design thinking involves exploration and exploitation processes that can be applied to organisations. Design thinking has developed with its adoption, practice and implementation in an ever-broadening set of sectors. Design thinking can now be viewed as a mindset and approach leveraging on its origin in design and the way that different designers successfully attain their transformations, along with knowledge and practice of organisational change across many different domains. Typical activities undertaken in design thinking approaches include the toleration of ambiguity. This helps keep ideas in consideration for longer. Seeing the big picture. Having an overall perspective can be so empowering, enabling key requirements and insights to be grasped. You may start with one issue or idea and then realise how important or worthwhile something else is. Making decisions. If you actually know what is required or important, then you have the criteria against which decisions can be assessed. Teamwork, benefiting from a collection of minds. Communication, using diverse means such as data, sketches and rationale, all integrated and aimed at transforming an existing state into a preferred condition. Design thinking tends to involve phases of iteration, coming up with ideas, prototyping and testing, revisiting previous considerations, problem solving and implementation. Through the iterative process of ideation, prototyping and testing, problems can be transformed into opportunities. This approach can be applied to both physical products and services and non-physical entities such as enterprises and organisations.